Welcome to part 3 of my GIMP tutorial. Let's be honest here, they knew exactly what they were doing when they named this thing. In the first video, I talked about how to think, and I give you baby's first GNU workflow. Very important. In the second video, I talked about what we can do with the histogram as an instrument, and we used it to dodge and burn this picture you see right here. Also very important. Today, we are going to use the tools I've introduced you to perform common color corrections. Out of all the color corrections, the most responsible and the most common is going to be your temperature correction. We will ignore all of our tools that are dedicated towards color correction, and we will instead use our levels tool. By the way, this tool is actually really good, but you have to know that it's talking about standard illuminant light temperatures and that it's coded backwards. If your computer's color space is sRGB or Adobe 1993 or Apple RGB, your white point will be D65. So that's the starting point. That means we have to take this bottom one that says that it's the final temperature and go down here